Take 2 on area of trapezoid. Second period found a mistake in the first video. Thank y'all very much. Okay. So to find the area of a trapezoid, you need base 1 and base 2. So go ahead with your red marker, highlight base 1 and base 2, which will always be your parallel lines. Whether your trapezoid's facing this way or this way, find the parallel lines. That's your base 1 and base 2. Your height is always going to be 90 degrees to your bases. So look for that vertical 90-degree mark. Oh, somebody left the house. My phone's going crazy. All right, so the formula that we have in the formula charts is, come here, formula chart. Area trapezoid, 1/2 of base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So instead of the 1/2, I'm just going to say base 1 plus base 2 times height, and then I'm going to divide by 2. So if you'd like to use that formula or this one, they both work fine. So with your black marker, base 1 plus base 2, in parentheses, do that first, times the height divided by 2. Now we're going to have to measure this trapezoid, so let's measure the base 1 in inches, and I got 5 inches for base 1, so B1 would be a 5. You can go ahead and mark it on the shape itself. Now y'all, what's base 2? 2 inches. I put 3, so 2 inches for base 2. So base 1 plus base 2, 5 plus 2, and then what is my height? 3 inches tall. 3 is good. And then divide by 2. So when I solve it, you simply add base 1 plus base 2, which is 7, times the 3, divided by 2. What's 7 times 3? 21. Divided by 2 gives us an area 10 point what? 10.5 or 10.5. What's my units? Inches. And you have to square it because it's area. Awesome. Okay, red marker again. Our trapezoid is turned on its side here, so you find the parallel sides. That's your base 1 and your base 2. And then whatever is 90 degrees to your bases, that will be your height. Base and height make a right. Okay, let me write the formula again. WTF, base 1 plus base 2 times height, divide by 2. Okay, so I'm going to plug my numbers into base 1 and base 2. 3 plus 9 times the height, which is 5, divided by 2. What is 3 plus 9? 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Okay, I don't know if I showed you yesterday. I got a little bit of a shortcut. I can take the 12 and the 2, reduce it down. What's 12 divided by 2? 6. And is 6 times 5 still going to give me 30? Yeah. 30 square yards. Okay, I'm going to pause first. Okay, we're back for guided practice number 2. There's no picture here, so you have to read carefully. A tabletop is in the shape of a trapezoid, so you know what formula you're using. The bases are 3.6 and 2 feet, so underline that with red. The height of the trapezoid, with green, is 2.5 feet. What is the area? So first, I'm going to write the formula. This is a long formula to write. Base 1 plus base 2 times the height, divide by 2. Okay, now I'm going to plug in my numbers. Base 1 and base 2 is 3.6 plus 2 times the height, 2.5, and then divide by 2. What is 3.6 plus 2? 5.6 times 2.5 divided by 2. Now this one doesn't really have a number that can be divided neatly, so I'm just going to go ahead and do 5.6 times 2.5. Find that answer, and then I'll divide by 2. So here we go. Do some math. 6 and 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 25 plus 3, 28. Scratch, scratch. Lay an egg. 2 times 6 is 12. Thank y'all. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Add them together. 0, 10, carry the 1, 4, and 1. So I got 2 to the right. Whoop, whoop. Back it up twice. Womp, womp. So my top number is 14 divided by 2. Final answer? 7 what? Square feet. 7 feet squared or 7 squared feet. Okay, now on the flip side, there is practice here. Cross off the perimeter. We're not going to do perimeter. It's just adding all the outsides. We don't need to work on that. Okay? I want you to write the formula one time on the back.
Oh, just one time?
One time, please. Base 1 plus base 2. Whoops, I forgot my B. Base 2 times height divided by 2. And then go find the area of all these trapezoids. I want you to also please mark your base 1 and base 2 with the red. So if you want to go through, find all the parallel lines, go ahead and do that. And then mark your height, which is your 90-degree angle, with base 1 and base 2. Mark that with the green. Okay, so first, mark all your bases and heights with your red and your green. Got the formula at the top. Plug it in and solve all of these. We'll check it at the end of class. Thank you. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.